Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will be learning singular and plural nouns in Siswati. Singular means one and plural means more than one or many. In Siswati, singular is bunye and plural is bunyendi. A noun in Siswati is libito. Libito ligama lento lebonakalako nalengabonakali. A noun, which is libito, is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Libito kungaba ligama lemuntu, lendzawo, lesilwane, noma lento thile. In the English language, when something is more than one, we add s or es or ies. However, in the Siswati language, when something is more than one, we look at the first two or three letters. For example, lipubesi becomes emapubesi. This table will help you change a singular noun into a plural noun. Leli tafula leli litokusita ekushintsheni libito lelisebunyeni liye ebunyendini. Remember, bunye is singular and bunyendi is plural. So bunye means one and bunyendi means more than one or many. Words that start with umu or when they become more than one, they will then start with ba or be or ba, or even imi or im. And then words that start with li, when they become more than one, they will then start with ema, just like lipubesi turned to emapubesi. Words that start with c or s, when they become more than one, they will then start with d or t. Words that start with in, when they become more than one, they will then start with tin. Words that start with lu or lwa, when they become more than one, they will then also start with tin, which is din. However, words that are in Sigaba 7 and 8 do not change. Like food in the English language, it does not become foods. It remains as food. So even in the Siswati language, gudla remains gudla. Jani remains jani. Buso remains buso. In English, these words are called irregular nouns. So words that begin with bu, b, tjw, tj, gu, gwa, and k do not change. Now that we understand how to change from bunye to bunyendi, let us look at our animals. Inja, tinja, lihashi, emahashi, inkhomo, tinkhomo, ingulube, tingulube, imvu, timvu, lidada, emadada, imbuti, timbuti, inyoni, tinyoni, ingobiyane, tingobiyane, sicoco, ticoco, inkukhu, tinkukhu, inthethe, tinthethe, ligundwane, emagundwane, sahukulu, tahukulu, libhubesi, emabhubesi, umgololo, imigololo, umdlwane, badlwane, indlovu, tindlovu. And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.